Hi, I'm Robert Varden with the International Certified Floor Covering Installers Association, CFI. You know, I've been installing floors for over 40 years, and believe me, I've seen more installation methods, products, even fads come and go in this industry than I really care to remember. But once in a while, something would come along that might have made our job a little bit easier, might have helped us to get the job done a little quicker, maybe even a little bit better. But until now, I've never encountered anything that I could say was truly revolutionary. Today I'll be talking to you about the Magnetic Building Solutions platform for installing walls and floors, MBS for short. The MBS system uses a magnetic base layer that simply rolls out onto the floor. It cuts very easily with a knife and really requires very few tools. Once the base layer is down, it's down for good. You should never have to replace the base layer. That has amazing benefits for future installs in the areas of time and money. Then you simply install just about any product you want on top of it, be it carpet tile, LVT, LVP, WPC, wood, laminate, even tile and stone. Not only can the base layer be used as a crack isolation membrane, it can also be used as a vapor barrier up to 99.9% using the proprietary MBS tape on the seams. So let's get started. Let me show you just how quick and easy this stuff is to install. As with any product being installed, careful attention must always be given to the floor preparation. Floors must be flat, smooth, and free of debris. When planning your layout for, say, a plank type product, wood, etc., it's best to run your MBS base layer in the opposite direction at a 90-degree angle of the final floor. While not critical, this does help in decreasing the chances of a flooring seam falling directly over a base layer seam. You will also want to balance your layout of the base layer so that you do not have less than a 1-foot strip along any wall. As you roll out the base layer, tightly abut each seam as you go. If for some reason you have edges that are irregular, you can very easily overlap the edges and double cut the material using a straight edge if needed. Again, the MBS material cuts very easily with a carpet or utility knife. When trimming the product in, leave about a 1/4 inch gap at the walls, unless you are sliding it under the baseboards. While the MBS base layer is designed to be loose laid on the floor, you may run into an application such as ramps or steps, for instance, that you might want to actually glue the base layer to the floor. Now that we have our base layer down, we're going to install an LVP with the MBS receptive material already pre-applied from the manufacturer. And whether it be an LVP, a WPC, or any plank type material, these procedures would pretty much be the same. So let's take a look at how the ease of installation makes this platform so unique. As with any installation of LVP, you will always balance the room and determine your starting point. Always follow manufacturer's instructions for board spacing and minimum length when determining this point. With the MBS platform, there is no need for a locking system. This frees us up to start almost anywhere we would like. It also enables us to begin installing in multiple directions if we have the manpower. This then greatly increases production and efficiencies versus having to work only in one direction, as with most locking systems. Just when you start thinking about how great this system is for the floors, wait until you see how easy it makes installing products on walls. Perhaps now you can begin to see why we consider this platform so revolutionary. With the array of products that manufacturers have the ability to produce in today's marketplace, just use your imagination. With the Magnetic Building Solutions platform, the possibilities are endless.